look, you can order to wash your car. Yep. Baby don't want to walk anymore. Watch her lips. She's got lip thing on her lip. Lily, look. It's Vlogmas.
20.
Yeah. House. It look like a cottage.
It looks like a...
With a long time fridge, eh? You know, sense still a keep. Not many houses have grills. Or gates. Most of the England houses you see they don't have gates. Yeah, reach. Look at the car. You can't be in Watford. Look at that. Those houses. Everything because look how near the door is. I can actually just go there and just shout them. That's their parking lot. Maybe Watford is a different thing. Yeah, this we're in Watford. I want to know how a sofa will go through that little door. That's the entrance, you know. It looks so small. Oh my days. Oh my. In England, this is Watford. Everything is just short. This must be there. Small these houses. This is how England houses are in Watford.
Niagara Falls in Canada. And then we stopped. We went to a toilet or whatever.
Where is it then?
The range is there.
So where is the... So we're at the Homesense in Watford. You have Furniture Village, Curry's over there, TK Maxx. Why should... So why are you coming to take a basket? That big basket?
He tell me, do you want a trolley or do you want a basket?
I know what's going to happen if she takes the trolley. If she takes the basket, she's going to fill it with the trolley.
Imagine. I know. Look at her. She's seeing what she's in. Thank you. Good morning. So this is Homesense in Watford. Oh, I want to give for Alicia teacher something nice. I see so much thing. It's really different from the one in Oh, that blue is pretty. What's the price of that blue? Oh, £16. So much did we pay for the other one? You pay for the 19. Oh God, everything just look nice.
It's nice.
Oh, everything just look nice. Oh, this is their display. One's for my bathroom. £14. This look nice.
How much is that?
So much is this? Please make this be £16. 24. £24. I want some for my bathroom.
How much is that then?
14. We're looking around. We must find something. Yeah.
It's nice, you know.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's very nice.
So,
Let me take that for you for Christmas.
oh, sure. Let's see. These.
This one.
Why a handful of these things? These are display.
No.
They must have more upstairs.
No, that's not this one.
Yeah, it is for the window. But you can take it. But you have you don't want that one. They must have more upstairs, D. I want something for my bathroom. Yeah, man, it's a display, D. Well, how much you take? How much did you take? One.
It's two of them.
Two you have is one you have.
Yeah, we put the other one back on it.
Oh, so where you putting this?
I don't know. I like this little mission.
Honestly.
I like that color.
Oh, this is I see Kira with this big plant. Oh God, there's too much things in here. I want something for a little teacher. Oh, this hand is cute. £6. This hand is nice. £6 for the anir. Oh, I like this, but it's 29. This can't be 29. Ooh. Oh, this is what I was.
I'm going to take this.
Roxy, I wanted to build my something, so I wonder if I could put the one of these blue in my.
Yeah, I have to take that one for my whole away again.
Oh, this nice here. Oh, this will be 29. I have to come back over here on Friday. You have to follow me back on Friday. I'm gonna get that for Karen on Friday. I want that on Friday. This is there's so much things in here, D. Cause Friday I'm getting money on this Friday. Jeez, D, I don't want to see any. Boy, there's something they're so pretty over here though. This is nice. Oh, you get this one. Remember
I have this.
Yeah, this is nice.
I have this, I have one of these.
This is nice, D. Ooh, this is nice.
Way upstairs on one. Sylvie tell me put two.
Oh, by the hallway, we're on the table. So put two. No, you open it. You open it. Put anything in it, or you just leave it like that.
Just leave it like that.
Cause one is fine. Cause one is fine. But what about where Lulu? You know when you walk towards Lulu, you know that Dex did they move it? Oh, upstairs. Okay, next to you can.
Shall I do this one or this one?
Why the two of them pretty? I like the light. Is different feature. That's fish on it. This pretty and bright. It's kind of bright.
I have one like that.
That is bright.
But what I'm saying, let me show you.
Why is this man leaning down there? Oh, 19 pounds for that man. What is he doing? Oh, so the woman here. Oh, so the black something. We need some black. What price is this? 14 pounds. How come?
Because this is light.
Oh,
What do you think?
you want something different, bright. This is what upstairs, yeah?
Yeah. So
Where's
what I'm
the
saying-
where the bright one that I just saw? Is it this? What's?
This now?
Is it this? No, this different.
This is the same thing.
Can't be. No, it's not.
Oh.
That better.
That is
So it
different.
bring
Yeah.
more.
Oh, that is different. That one is
That's it. Yeah. You have to look at the patterns and no.
Yeah,
So leave
you
this.
see, yeah.
Leave that. Right. Oh, this nicey. This nicey, man. That's something nice.
I take this.
So we're gonna put that one.
I gonna
I
take
like that vase.
the jar. Because I want my jar covered.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this one in the living room.
Yeah. Take off the ginger jar.
Oh, you're gonna take out the ginger jar and use the jar. We're gonna put that one. Is it big as it? Is it big? Is the ginger jar big too?
Yeah, the ginger jar is big.
No, which one is bigger?
The ginger jar is bigger.
Okay, yeah. But this bolder.
Huh?
Cause this look more blue. I like this blue.
Look more blue.
How much are they?
Well, that one.
I like it, you know, it's the same, yeah. Cause I'm thinking, cause I'm gonna need one of them. Something. Oh, they're nice. Everything is just beautiful to me.
You want a blue? Shall I take the blue for you instead of the flower?
Huh? The blue
Take
to
the blue
put.
for instead of the flower?
I like the flower. It's fine.
You see the size of the ginger jar?
Yeah, you see how that big and bold?
Yeah.
I like this big and bold. Oh, this Homesense. This is nice, you know. I don't want no face to be looking at me. Oh, book. $7.99. Want some blues.
You guys take care. Thank you. You guys too.
Can't go with any more gold. Oh, 10 pounds. How much is this big one? 15 pounds. Right, I think I need. So is that that's these two small ones, or these two big ones, or a big and a small? And they say it's on offer. 16 pounds. And they said this is an offer for £10. I like it. I like this. This Homesense is so excited. Candlestick? So this and that. You know, it says pot. I need to get a pot. I just don't know what to do. Let's get it. So wait, I lie down the man for lie down or I stand up him for stand up? Heck, stone, I lie down him for lie down. So me go at the man for lie down and yes sir, can't bother with you. You too much. Where you lie down? Family. How much is this? £5. Where would I put that? Remember I need to look for stuff for the bathroom. Family. What is this? Why not them something here? We need to have some. Huh? Oh! So we get one plant from our bathroom. That's nice. What could I put this? How much for this? 39. Ooh, that look good. Ooh. What's the price for that? Oh, it's a face. What's more than a face now? What's more? You can't stay back around this one. Not a face. Like that blue look nice. Some more stuff from my bathroom. To buy a special plate for Lily. I buy this for Alicia because her white plate broke. I want some place mat. Here, plate them. Plates and pots and pans just and knacks. Buy this. Our bowl break where she eats out of dinner out. I'm gonna buy this.
Sorry. Thank you very much. I'm gonna put them over my bed.
Oh, so you get if you get something from IKEA for put them, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
To put them up.
So that two small one and this. And put this one back.
Oh. Yeah.
I took 50. I have 15 pounds.
I need a pot. No, sir, D, get away. D, you get away. D, get away. I need a pot to fry. I said I don't have none of the new pot them. If this can go in the oven. It's nice and pretty. want the big one in this. Like this now. Want that, big one of that. Want something for fry my chicken. Oh, this I was looking for, but they only have, I wanted back a one with a handle. They don't have the one with the handle. So it's the same thing. This is the same thing. The oval. The oval. Need a pot for frying my chicken. Need a pot. Want something kind of 29. Fry the chicken in. But what I was looking for is that one to fry. These are frying pans. So this is not bad. I think I like this for my mac and cheese. £12. This is good. Oh, this cutie. This is cute. Oh, this is cute. But I don't see the price. But I know it's about £19 or so. So I like that. Oh, this is cute too. This is cute. I want that for me as and must. What could I use my fry my chicken in this? But I want one bigger one. That's the problem. I need the bigger one. If I'm getting that, I need to get both of them bigger one. 20. I want the bigger one to this. This cute. I like this. This to get my mac and cheese. Pretty. Pretty. I'm gonna come back. There's so much. Okay, come here and finish. Good. Is it going to TK Maxx? Oh, I thought they were. Yeah, I just thought they were a book. See nothing for Lily. Lily teacher. Huh?
I said, let me see if they'll take a credit card there.
Oh, this is nice. Pretty fun. £16. It's nice seeing one. It's better than. I like the marble. You buying that? Oh, you're buying a plate. What? To get your blues?
No, for you I want that, but then I want to see.
What are this?
No.
Oh, the blue.
For your my Zelle, but this, if they take the credit card, then I can pay for it. If they take it, I don't know.
I don't know.
Pay for this one.
I like the marble. Yeah, marble. You finished? Which one you like? I'm putting in. Can get. You get one and I get one. So that one. Both of them look nice. I think I like over this over here.
Better?
Because there's so much.
It's not much.
I didn't even go upstairs. You know, somebody look for one of them scarping here. I like them, you know. I have the dog already. I like it. I like the Anansi here, £10. I like the Anansi there for £10. Where am I going to get that ship for a sale? Can't do it no more gold. There's so much. So I got this. This thing's so heavy. What the hell is that? The blue vase look nice, you know? That's what may look nice too. We may do the half a man face in my house. So look one. And why I should get the cat here stretch? What can I explain? Oh, these are nice. Let's go to. You can go to. Oh, you finally. Where you putting them?
In the sitting room.
Where in the sitting room? Because you have them already in the sitting room. So we're going in TK Maxx. And she's off to it again. I want to get a gift. Where mean you're looking for the same thing? Massage. Maybe upstairs. What will be upstairs? Clothing. So this is all clothing. Alright, let's try upstairs. Let's try upstairs. Okay, they have clothes. I'm seeing some things. That's lantern nice in. Ooh. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, for my bathroom. Ooh. It's my bathroom I'm looking for. So I get that one to put, and then I want my bathroom to look. Oh, this is nice. I wonder if I could put two of that on the side. I'm trying to visualize. I don't want no rose in the bathroom. This is nice. Unless I have two of this. I need to do the bathroom.
Adriana?
I don't want no elephant. It's for Christmas. I like that so far. That so far. This nice. This nice. I want something. Oh, maybe I forget something a bit taller in my unless I'm gonna forget two of those two to put in. Oh, this is £9. I have orchid at the moment, you know, right there. but I wanna change it. I want to change it. How much for this? Cause anything I need this. Me thinking of something. It have to be 2 of something. This nice. Nice. I want 2 of something. I want 2 of something to put in the corner. Something for going in my bathroom. Think about this. And I put it on my little glass thing that I have. Oh, this is not Christmas, you know. It said £14. D, what you have in your hand, D?
Which one?
I like them.
What's the price of that?
Don't tell me it's 29.
29.
But they take off one price there. Let me see the bottom again, because it's not it. That's not. I can't. That's not. Maybe not. Can't be 29. So much
This
is.
one is 19.
This is different, isn't it? Yeah. They're different from all the ones you've got. Yeah.
But this is would go by the blue vase, isn't it? Which one?
19 pounds. I'll find out the price for that. Put the
You
ring.
like both of them, innit?
Yeah, they're totally nice. Because they're different from what you've got. I like the one with the top. It tall, it long. I'm glad they didn't bring any basket. Okay, see, you looking. They looking. You put that down. Where she find those things? I don't know. Our eyes is too. Is this blue? I think I like this.
There's a problem. One of them's gay, so he's got a
yeah,
boyfriend. That's okay,
yeah.
I can do him too. That's
Yes.
not a problem. But the other two, girls.
Oh Lord.
And I never know what to get for them.
Never know. That's the problem.
I know.
It's always the case. They see so many things and what to choose. What would they like? What would they?
I know. Do you think they'd like it or they won't like it? So she's got cats.
Yes.
And I've got a room diffuser
Ah.
Because cats get a bit pongy.
Yeah. That's nice to get something for the cats.
I like the soap because it had Father Christmas in it.
Yeah. It's vintage,
fab.
yeah. I've got loads of
And
those.
that because we all want to go to Paris.
Paris. Oh, of course. I need to go there in
Yeah.
June as well.
Oh, I love Paris.
Oh.
So hopefully these aren't too bad.
Yeah. Jollies.
Is he?
I
Yeah,
love
that's
Christmas.
right. Oh, okay. I was looking for a waving.
Love it.
All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Hills of victory, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight.
I think it's upstairs. We got to go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I like what you have to already.
To ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ralph Lauren's.
This would be my sitting room. Yay.
So this will go where? In the sitting room.
I have one in my sitting room, you know.
You have one of this in the sitting
No,
room?
but it's a blue. It's a light blue. I'll put it in the attic.
So this you will put in the living room. One of them though.
One.
And put it where in the
I
living
have it on
room?
my fire.
Oh.
You didn't see it
Oh.
then? Yeah. But that one I got.
Oh.
Look.
OMG. How much is it, D? 129. 129. Ooh, but this is the life. This is it. It's bigger. It's bigger. It's bolder. This is different. Well, I don't know which one again. Which one? They're nice. They're nice.
Which one do you think?
They're nice. Look at it. It just stand out. Is it? Yeah.
So that is 129 too?
Yeah, they're 129. Yeah. They're worth it. Is they're big? It's bold. It stand out. Zoo. I like this one
This
too.
one.
I like. They're nice. I try taking out our phone to look.
Taking £100 from.
The credit card. You can use it on the credit card.
Huh?
You can use it on the credit card then.
I'll put £100.
So now I'm going to Alicia's school. She has a present to give her teachers. Yeah, present to give her teachers. So I'm gonna give it to her. Let she hand it to them. They're not no stickers or name on it and stuff. I should have put from Alicia actually, but yeah. Let me go and I should have shown. Oh my God, I should have do the video and show what is in them. One of them we got a nice blanket. One's got a nice bubbly pillow, like she can put it at her back or she can sit on it. Victoria's Secret is in it as well that I bring from America. Yeah, I've got some Victoria's Secret hand lotion and stuff that I put in there, and a cup. Yeah, so I'm on my way there now. That's Alicia. Can you see Alicia there? That's their class. That's the party. That's Alicia. Where's Alicia friend? And that's Alicia. Alicia's her friend. Ah, look at Alicia. That's so nice. Oh, this is... And this. Hello, gnomes. Say hi to my vlog, gnomes.
Hello.
Tell your other gnome friends to follow me and like, share, and subscribe. Go on, go on.
The gnomes don't even have
Know me. Say hello, okay? Right.
Gnomes
Go
don't
in.
even have phones.
Is it?
Huh?
Isn't this house look like Christmas? Look, tell me what you see when you notice a lot around the house. Alicia taking off her shoes. Look, tell me what you notice.
Years ago in 1617.
Doesn't taste like candy.
This is
Hello. I want
the Christmas tree.
I knew you were here though.
Magical thing.
What's going on?
Don't know, someone told me.
Can you see what's going on?
I don't want it.
Can you see what is going on, right?
No way.
Look now. Ralph Lawrence, imagine. One lamp.
I don't want it.
You go wash your hands. Santa bringing out the so I'm preparing this chicken for the homeless tomorrow. So I'm just here trying to clean up this chicken now. Alright, so season. I'm just gonna rub it up now. And if you can see, jerk season, onion season, all of that. Can't put too much spice because remember you're gonna give English people don't like too much pepper, you know. There you go. There. So this is my vase I got. My ginger jar for my unit when it comes.
What was that? Let's play.
And the buy this for my Christmas. To make my potato gratin and my mac and cheese. This is Alicia's new plate. She can eat her bits and bobs in. This is quite nice. I really like it. I'm like my ginger jar. There's nothing in there. So that is that for now. We should move it from this one. But thank you guys for watching. I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. Season the meat and everything for the homeless done. So tomorrow's another day. I'm tired. I just want to get that out of the way tomorrow, and then I can finish up get my little meat and stuff and thing and season up for Christmas. Have a good night. Bye. Thank you. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.